What's up, guys? Got a little knife I want to show you. It is a Wenger Crusader. It's kind of like the Victorinox SD Classic, except, well, it's kind of like it, but not the same. You got a pen bleed, and you get the fingernail file, and that's all it comes with. That as far as, you know, blades. It's got the toothpick and tweezers on it, which is kind of neat. It's actually a little bigger than the SD Classic. It's got that little, I don't know, that little ridge in it. It's got the Wenger right there in the scale. You see that? This part on it's the ring on it's a little smaller than what's on the SD Classic. I guess this would be the Wenger version of it. There may be another one, I don't know. It's the only one I've ever seen like it, and that's why I picked it up. I thought it was cool. That's the box that comes in. I don't know, I'm kind of a box whore, I guess. I like the boxes. That's the model number if you're interested. Anyway, I thought I'd show it to you. Cat jumped on the door and scared the shit out of me. There's the SD Classic. And then if you want to look at, you know, a comparison, it's a little smaller, but the SD's got a little bit more stuff. It's got, you know, the scissors and all. The blade on this one is a little bigger than what's on the Classic. I mean, which is, I should have, it's not much, but the Crusader's got a bigger blade. I kind of like it. I don't know what kind of cutting it'll do. It's really not that good, but this is heavy, like printer paper. I mean, yeah, as far as that cutting goes, I mean, that's shit, but we'll try the SD blade from the Victorinox. I mean, it's kind of, I don't really think it's indicative of the type of steel. It's just the blade is not that good, not that sharp out the box. Anyway, I thought I'd show y'all a knife. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Hope everybody has a good evening, and y'all be cool. Later.